Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. The week started with this indecision candle where the price has stopped at the support level, going slightly up and down, and then on a Tuesday forming a bullish candle which could not manage to close above this area of resistance, and then we can see on a Wednesday the price formed this bullish candle. This bullish candle has managed to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, but has stopped on the next resistance here, 4230.55, which is also a 4-hour time frame. 4235.13 could not manage to close above that, and then finally we can see that the prices managed to make a bullish breakout. On the next day it is strong bullish momentum that has entered the market on a Thursday, where the prices reached 4289.23. I have mentioned all of these movements during the week on the weekly analysis. You can check day by day what has happened. And yesterday the price was trying to reach higher price levels, and the price has done that, reaching 4353.99 and then returning back down, and the return has happened on this clock at 1700, which means where the market closes the price has moved down. What we can expect for the next week? I am expecting the price will reach high price levels, reaching again higher and higher, reaching again this area of resistance, which has turned the price down, which means 4440.92 is the next target for the next week, and I'm more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels for the next week, so I'm bullish oriented. I have here on the daily time frame slightly a bullish breakout, not very clear at least for now, so I'm waiting and also seeing how the price will react on a Monday where the market opens, and will there be a bearish breakout below this area of support, or it will be bounced back up. This is something that I need to watch closely and see how the market reacts, but currently we can see that on here I have a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, where the next target is 4314.36. This is the 1 hour time frame resistance level, and this is the target for the next week, at least in the short term during the day, but on the large time frame I'm open to see the price even higher. This bullish momentum has just started to form here. This is just slightly retraced because of the Friday at 1700, which is just indicating the trader has locked their profits, that has pushed the price down. I have also locked the profits the day before right here, the resistance, so I am starting also on the next week to move higher with the price level. So let's see how the market opens on a Monday, and then follow the market. Also check the chat room, the link will be in the comments, where I share more details during the day, how the market is behaving and also what I'm expecting. Also check other traders, what they are saying, so feel free to join. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.